Hello, my name is Matthew Rhys, and I want to ask you for your help for Sherman Cymru's redevelopment. As a keen supporter of the theatre since I was a young boy, I'm doing my bit to help, and I hope you can too. Sherman Cymru's building is getting closer to being finished each day, and along with you and thousands of other people, I can't wait to see it in all its glory in early 2012. From an original total of £6 million, the company has only £150,000 left to raise, thanks to some great support. Sherman Cymru has been invited to be part of an excellent fundraising activity, the Big Give Christmas Challenge. This is a unique opportunity to give whatever you can to Sherman Cymru, and your donation is magically doubled. Yes, pound for pound, your £5 will become a tenner, your tenner will become 20 quid, your £100 will be worth £200, just like that, pure magic. What does this mean? Well, it means that you and I will be helping Sherman Cymru to finish the job, finish the building and the fundraising so that we can get in there and enjoy fantastic artistic productions and projects, a brand new building, comfortable seats and a great new looking foyer. Keep your eyes peeled and I'll be back in late November to let you know how you can join me in supporting this great appeal. To make sure you receive information about how you can help, please get in touch by emailing give@shermancymru.co.uk. Sherman Cymru needs you and me to help put the final pieces of this great building together. Please do your bit. Thank you. Diolch.